Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters in Islam, I hope to be fine with you, Samir Abdelghani, teacher of Tajweed and Maqamat science. Inshallah, we are preparing to announce an amazing course. It's a new, inshallah, course concerning about how you can recite the Quran Kareem with good voice and switch your voice in Quran recitation. If everyone watched me before, yes, I'm the owner of Nagam Academy for Quran Science, and every month or 2 months we are preparing for a new sessions or a new courses. Besides our course in Udemy, there is also live sessions face to face with you. Those who beginners in Quran recitation, those who want to have private style of recitation. So our courses, inshallah, for the Quran level number one or round number one. Round number one containing 10 classes, 10 live classes. The duration of each class 45 minutes individual. We're using Telegram. What we studied in this round for beginners level number one, we studied two parts. Part number one, vocalization or vocal cords. Section number two, melody. Oh, Ustaz, section, yes. And we can't go to section number two, melody, before you study and be managed of the section number one. Because some of reciters ignore this. Go to YouTube and admire and love and be fantastic with videos that titles of all Maqamat with Surah Al-Fatiha. Oh, but I'm beginners. You should study something before the melody. This is vocal cords exercise. So the section number one, we start with the vocal cords exercise, the breathing exercise, the sound features and the sound attributes. Next point, the letter exercise, the nasal sound exercise, the curved exercise, the decoration. You should learn how you can add notes or decorate it in your voice. All of this we studied in the section number one. Section number one can take from 5 to 6 classes. The remainders of the 10 classes we will go to the melody of Maqamat. Before we study Maqamat, we study something called 5 steps to recite with Maqam, any Maqam from A to Z. We apply this. We start with the Maqam. Someone asked me, oh, Ustaz, can you tell me the Maqam that it's suitable with my voice? Yes. In the beginning, I will recite and you repeat after me, because I wanted to figure out and discover the variety of the Maqamat in your voice, because any of the student is not the same one. Maybe some call it love Maqam Bayati, another one love Maqam Nahawan. So I will start with the Maqam that it's a majority in your voice, create it in your voice. This is the first Maqam that we will start with it. After that we can go to the next one and go to next and the next and so on. If we finish the 10 classes, if you wanted to continue round number two, also 10 classes, it's okay. If you enough, it's up to you. Okay, but I love and my technique that إن الله يحب إذا عمل أحدكم عملا أن يتقنه. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love the one who work or study should study in accurate way, but random, no. So our academic, our teaching, our strategy, our technique is definite, is fixed. Finish step number one, we go to next step number 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact with admin Mr. Khalid, and he will with you inshallah to answer. جزاكم الله كل خير, and may Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.